Welcome. If you want to use Roblox in your preferred language, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to change the display language on the Roblox app for PC following the new update. This process is quick, easy, and will help you enjoy Roblox in the language you're most comfortable with. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled More. This will open up a list of additional settings and features. Now, from the More menu, find and click on Settings. Inside the settings, head straight to Account Info. This is where you manage your personal details and preferences. Scroll down the Account Info page until you see the Language section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu listing all the languages Roblox supports. Click on the menu and choose the language you want to use. For example, if you want to switch to Spanish, select Español. If you want to change it back to English later, just repeat these steps and pick English from the list. After you select your preferred language, the app might take a moment to update. Once it's done, the entire Roblox interface will appear in your chosen language, making it easier for you to navigate and play. And that's it! You've successfully changed the display language on the Roblox app for PC. This simple update can make your gaming experience smoother and more enjoyable, especially if you're more comfortable in another language. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Roblox in your new language.